Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Tether using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section. And at the wallet section, you see on the top of the screen these four buttons: send, receive, buy, and trade. So if you want to get Tether coin, you can either buy it or receive it. Then tap on the one that you choose. Then go to the search bar and type in the name. And then while tapping on it, you will receive your QR code. And by sending this QR code to anyone, they can send you Tether, or you can scan it for yourself if you have Tether on different wallets. Then you can transfer it to your Trust wallet. Then the second option, the set amount option, is a very cool feature. Here, if you tap on it, you can type in a set amount of Tether that you can, then you will receive a new QR code. And with this new QR code, if you use this, anyone that uses it can only send you this exact amount of Tether, which is a very great way for payments or transactions. And the third feature is the share, which is obviously to share your QR code or address on social media or other platforms. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.